Kum shibenta ban pen inam bat pen priang ya ka culture jang ki Japan shikithan chatei lammi ngi minta ka kinti ka Japan embassy ka bah India bat ka Japan Foundation harungkat ka jingetre lang ka ICCR kala shim ya ka sinjam ban belong ya ka North East Japan caravan arjar arpulai hangni hanong ba Shillong kabalazang mentas ngi ka khat nil trik unai wing bat kan kut haga khat kandai trik unai wing arjar arpulai kabalalong ha usu sutham auditorium Shillong Hakas ngis dang jong kini ka lumpung penpriang ya ka kolshor jong ki Japan lapli perda da ka menteri ka tanat ka kot ka kya ka Dr. Amperin Lingdo kum ka kongsan ha ka jing sakhilang u menteri sarkar uba AL Hek u commissioner of arts and culture u Frederick R Kharkongor u ambassador jong ka Japan u Hiroshi Suzuki kum kisimbut kongsan Hakani kesngi lapin iru ya kasap kapong ki Samla ka jela ban penchlori ki Samla ban nangi ki jingin akai karate ban judo dagi khna ile akai ka Meghalaya Judo Association bat ka All Meghalaya Karate Association Hakini ki laisngi lenter en pen ki Southly ki anime film bapau nam ka Japan ban hikai ka ktin Japan bat kandon ka cosplay bat kiwe de ki culture jang ki Japan
and coming to the furthest part of the Northeast to meet with us, to mingle with us, to share some of your anime films, to share some of your calligraphy, your origami. These are all art forms which are not unknown to the people at large in the world. And you will be surprised, I will create, about the feeling of closeness that the people of our state will have with people of your country. It is also coincidental that you are here during the Cherry Blossom Festival. This is a festival season for the state of Meghalaya, and believe it or not, seeing and being a part of this rain is part of the deal. Coming to Shillong means coming to see the rain, coming to meet the clouds, coming to see the wetness around us, and enjoying the full bloom of the cherry blossom at this point of time. The ICCAR, particularly under the leadership of Manish Singh himself, has played very great role in ensuring that the state of Meghalaya is not only portrayed outside to India and the world, but particularly he is one person who has been able to connect all of us together, regionally, nationally, and we see a new feather in your cap, Mr. Manish, and that is bringing Japan to the city of Shillong. Very, very happy that you have done that, and on behalf of the Department of Art and Culture and the Honourable Minister who is not here, and on behalf of all of us at the Cabinet, we thank the ICCR for its commendable efforts all the time.
performing the bunkai, the application of the just concluded kata.
How to, without injury, how to fall in front. Performs my Maulio Kami lengthwise. Now they are going to perform height-wise. Now our students going to perform our basic skill, Ushiro Ukami, how to, without injury, how to fall.
That has been held here today.
Yes, I'm here. I'm here to open a big Japanese cultural festival. So for 3 days, we have full program of Japanese cultures, like cosplay performance. Today we just saw judo performance, karate demonstration, and we have anime films, full anime films in 3 days. And also we have a yukata tryout, Japanese kimono, and we can also experience Japanese calligraphy and origami. So please come. We have 3 days of full of Japanese culture program. So please do enjoy Japanese culture.
So
Thank
your
you very
visit
much.
here to Shillong, Meghalaya, do you see any similarity? Do we share similarity with Japan culture and the culture here in the Northeast?
Well, this is my very first time to visit Shillong, and I am enjoying my stay. And as you know, you have beautiful cherry blossoms, and Japanese people love cherry blossoms. So I'm looking forward to attending the cherry blossom inaugural ceremony a little bit from now. So I see lots of similarities. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.